Hello everyone, I am the Desert Gardener, and today we're talking garden memes. So I had a video I had planned to do out in the garden, but it's a bit cold and windy today, so I thought I'd stay inside and do what a lot of gardeners do, play on the internet. So I brought up some garden memes that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's bring up the first one. Now this one I can definitely sympathize with. You spend weeks trying to grow a certain vegetable and weeds just pop up overnight. I don't get it. I'm surprised the whole planet isn't covered with weeds at this point. So the next one, yes, I used to have a cat, and I've definitely seen this look. I'm fertilizing it. You're welcome. And this is just cute. This is adorable. Aww. He's helping. And let's see, Krabby Road. I garden in the nude. It's a lot cheaper than a scarecrow. Remember, when burying a body, cover it with endangered plants so it's illegal to dig it up. Well, now we're just getting helpful advice. I found the bulbs you hid. What game shall we play next? Yeah, I've had some friends with dogs, and they have a tendency to dig everything up. Before you start talking, woman, remember, when I need your opinion, I ask. The silly part about this is I've seen a bunch of YouTube videos online of people in the construction business doing this exact same thing, knocking down a building or a post or a wall or something with their ladders leaning on it. So it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Oh, and this one's for you Pink Floyd and Led Zeppelin fans. Oh, I love this one. Did you know that if you garden naked, your neighbors will build a privacy fence at no cost to you? Well, so far my neighbors haven't. Yeah, I can kind of feel this one. It's the beach. There's nothing to garden. A little sad. Let's see. Yeah, going to try to grow some beer. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of beer, but if I think I was going to grow beer, I'd grow something other than Bud Light, but I don't know. What do you beer drinkers think? Yep, Instagram. Some of us post our kids. Some of us post our kids. Yeah, I definitely have felt this one when it gets to be 110 and you're trying to mow the lawn and you about pass out. I feel this one. This one reminds me of those truck nuts on the back of the pickup trucks. And I've definitely been there too. We're not planting anything here. Too much rocks. You know, you're an adult when you've got a garden full of plants you can't smoke. Why can't you do both? I don't know. Let's see. If gardening was easy, they'd call it your sister. Okay, I'm just going to leave that one there. Oh, I love this one. My neighbor was getting tired of waiting for spring. I am so glad I don't live up north where it's cold and snows all the time. Gardening is cheaper than therapy, and you get tomatoes. I actually have this exact sign on my side fence. Give a woman a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a woman to garden, and the whole neighborhood gets zucchini. Well, for me, it's tomatoes. I've been passing out tomatoes to everyone. In case of zombies or gardening, yeah, there's definitely some useful tools there if the zombie apocalypse happens. And the last one, would you look at the time? All right. Well, I don't plan on doing these kind of videos all the time. I'm going to stick with my regular tomato, peppers, and myth-busting videos, but I thought it would be fun to do something a little different every once in a while. So, if you want to see more of those videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.